Here I have an Astra 3 model rocket made by Quest, the rocket company. As you can see, it's in 3 main pieces. Here we have the fin assembly, which stabilizes it, which is also the engine compartment, which allows it to fly, obviously. Here we have the main body tube, which stops it from tipping over so it's stable. Also, that helps with the stabilizing effect of the fins. And here we have the nose cone, which keeps it pointed in the right direction. Underneath the nose cone, we have the parachute, shroud lines, and a shock cord. These will be ejected at the top of the flight. Underneath the parachute, which I can't show you right now, I have wadding paper, which looks like this. It's completely fireproof and stops the parachute from catching fire when the engine explodes at the top of the flight, so that the parachute comes out. So it looks like this when it's done. Then, to put in an engine, we get one of these, an A64 engine, which is not the only type this takes, but it's the kind I'm using. The A stands for the amount of force it gives total, and each letter in sequence gives twice as much as the letter before it. So, an A engine is 2.5, a B engine is 5, and a C engine is 10, and so on. The 6 shows how many newtons of force it gives total per second, I think. And the 4 is how long it delays at the top of its flight before it ignites and takes out the parachute. So, as you can see, there's a full end and an empty end. You put the empty end towards the top inside here and just push it in. Got it. Then you put this back in and slide the rocket onto the launch pad, making sure that the standoff tube is not near the engine. Then you take this thing, which ignites the rocket when this burns, and push it in the bottom of the engine. Then you separate these 2 wires and fold them into what it says is bunny ears, but it doesn't really look like that. Make sure that they are not touching. Then you take this ignition system here. As you can see, it has 2 alligator clips on the end. And you attach 1 to each wire of this.